Hi Sam, I'm going to show you how you can correct your errors in Visual Studio. So here's your program right here. Let's compile it and build, and obviously it's going to come up with some errors. When the window opens up to tell you there were build errors, click No on this window and then go to View, Error List to see the list of your errors. So you have 13 errors. It's kind of a lot, but they're all minor. So we'll scroll to the top and we'll double click the first one. It's going to bring us to the code. It's saying that it's not identified, this B pick duplicate. It's correct. The problem I can see here is that when you declared it right here, you called it duplicate instead of duplicate. So that should be turned into a P. So I'm gonna fix that by turning this B into a P. That should take care of your first problem. So let's double click the second one, and that brings us here, and it says that IDUBCNTR is also undeclared. Well, it's supposed to be IDUP and you put IDUB, so let's put that back to a P. That'll take care of the second error, and we're going to click on the third error. This one should have already been fixed because that was part of the DUB, so let's bypass those for now and go to this one here. Okay, this one here is saying that GRAY tool strip. Now that's the way I typed it in the handout I gave you. The problem with that is that you probably named it GREY, so let's see if we can find that out. So we're going to go back to design view real quick. We're going to go to options, background, and as you can see, you called it GREY, not GRAY. So let's go back to the code and let's change it to GREY. Okay, and that let's F5 it right now to see how many errors we got rid of. Okay, we're gonna go click No here again, View, Error List, and now as you can see we went from 13 down to 7. Okay, so again we'll scroll to the top, click on this one here, and it does say that the dpick duplicate is incorrect. Oh, I see it right here. See how you also have the B right here. So I'm going to go back to my Word document just to make sure that I did call it B. If I called it B, so it's supposed to be B. Okay, so you have it called D here, so we're going to bring it back to a B. Okay, so that should change that problem. Let's try the next one. Again, it's a gray that was supposed to be spelled with an E instead of an A. And now I'm going to F5 again because sometimes I like to just catch myself up a little bit before I continue. Still might have one or two errors. I'm going to go to View, Error List, and now I'm down to 4 errors. So let's click the first one. This one, it's going by the computer. The computer uses A, so I'm going to switch this one to an A. This one is, okay, that's the same error. And this one needs to be E because you called it tool list E. So I'll change that A to an E. And now that might be it. Let's try and build it. And I think that took care of it. So now we're going to wait for your program to show up. And here it is, all set. Okay, so that took care of your errors. So that's what you need to do in the future. Okay, Sam? Thank you.